Hello everyone, I'm Sharad Tawade. I'm from Mumbai. I have 4+ years of experience in the field of automation and IoT. So from that, I wanted to learn more about the fascinating field of the data science. So hence I decided to enroll in AlmaBetter 4-stack data science program and secure a job offer from the Technobil Solution Private Limited within the 37 weeks of the program commencement. The reason for choosing AlmaBetter's program is that the unique feature of AlmaBetter's program, it provides a risk-free learning environment. The pay after placement model is a blessing for every data science enthusiast. So moreover, the placement guarantee works as a cherry on top. So I also like the quality of the study material and lectures provided by the AlmaBetter team. Placement drive is crucial and beneficial for young data science enthusiasts who are seeking a robust training program. The AlmaBetter provides a dedicated career course to every student and also provide the mock interview help boost the students' confidence. I also enjoy resume building sessions and communication training with the utter pro. Several striking features made AlmaBetter's curriculum stand out from other institutes. Like, for example, one-on-one mentorship session with industry expert help us gain insight into the data science field. Also, working on real-work abstract project. Also, AlmaBetter provides daily learning report with constructive feedback, which is extremely helpful. My previous experience is not related to the data science, but I want to learn data science, so I choose the AlmaBetter. So their curriculum helped me to learn and grow fast in the data science field. The project will not only give you the marks but also give you a little experience in working on a team projects. The concept of learning for free, getting placed in a good company, and then paying them is impressive. So AlmaBetter's mentors are highly skilled and support you at every stage. My advice to the student is just to follow the AlmaBetter's procedure and learn continuously. Then you will definitely get an excellent job in the data science.